Good day, I am Dominic Jun Subong of BSECE 3A, and this is my output video for ECE 36 Laboratory Activity number 9, demonstrating the RGB LED activity. So, in reference to our ID number, which is 7009, the following colors will be chartreuse, rose, and then orange. In procedure 2, we'll start with green as a start and end with red. So let's connect our power source. Green, chartreuse, rose, orange, and red. Now we'll proceed to procedure 3. We'll just upload the code for procedure 3, and we will also follow the same color pattern. That is all. Thank you.